How this game works is Tom and Tom are going to be in a scene, but in their scene they have no sound. So me, Beverly, and Josh are going to be creating the sound effects for these guys. All right, kill, kill.
Oh my God! Oh! 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 Oh!
Sir, please, you can't sit in the cart. You need to stand up. We can get you one of the little movie things if you want. The little things that beep when they back up. Here, I'll back one up right now so make noise. This one doesn't beep. It's killed 3 children already.
My leg really hurts. I need to sit down. Will you push me around?
Well, sure, why not? I work at Walmart. What else do I have to do? Take a seat. Uh-oh, I think this cart might have a squeaky wheel. Let me try it out. Actually, this cart is a monkey, but it's all the same. You can still sit on it.
It's on fire! It exploded!
Well, it's a Walmart monkey. We've been testing on them in the basement, doing some market research.
Where did you get this and how much is it?
You want to buy the exploding fire monkey?
It'll make a great gag gift for my nephew.
Here, let me take you down to the deep basement of Walmart so we can look at all the monkeys we're experimenting on. First, let me open our door. The alarm might go off if I open it. Sorry, they're watching Psycho in there. There's the door. All right. Down the stairs. Be careful.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
I follow you.
Okay. I thought we were going down side by side. It's okay.
Am I stepping on something? What is that?
Oh, yes. The floor is covered in hot sauce.
Oh.
Listen. See? Exactly how you'd expect bubble wrap to sound. We do that so the scientists know if any interlopers are approaching to look at the monkeys. Okay, it's right through this door.
Is it much further? My leg still hurts.
I just said it's right through this door.
Oh, my hearing aid is not working. Hold on. There we go.
Wow, I heard that.
Yeah. I turned it down.
So here you can see all the monkeys. Tap on the glass and they make noises. You make the grass squeak like the monkey sounds, and then they respond. You see, you communicate.
This one looks nice.
No, you make it squeak.
Oh.
Or you do nothing. You knocked out the window pane.
I tried so hard. I didn't.
Shatter.
Oh! I think the window shattered.
There's monkey glass everywhere.
Oh, the superiors aren't gonna like this. The reanimated corpse of Sam Walton's gonna kill me.
Is that him coming?
Oh no, I'm sorry, Mr. Sam. You can tell from his motorized noises. Oh! His robot body died, now he's a ghost!
He's a specter!
Let's get out of here! It's okay, I don't think ghosts can climb stairs.
My pacemaker!
Oh no!
I think I need a defibrillator!
Oh, good thing I have one right here on the wall. You're hollow!
You got it going! You got